Welcome to this Booklog tutorial. In this video, we'll be talking about kit functionality in Booklog. With sets and kits, you can create groups of items and sell them under a single SKU or identifier. For example, you might want to sell pre-assembled gift baskets from your store's stock, or sell a series of books as a single package. Bundling them together as a kit allows you to ring them up in the cash register under one SKU. In Booklog, a kit is represented by a SKU, and each part of the kit has its own item record in your database. When you create a kit, you'll be able to add items or parts to the kit from your existing inventory. Sales history for your kits will be tracked separately from their individual parts. To create a kit, you'll first need to create an inventory item. This new item will represent the bundle of items that belong in the kit. Enter the identifier, title, and pricing information, as well as category and department. If the kit came pre-assembled from a vendor, use the vendor's identifier or enter it into the stock number field. Next, click on the Miscellaneous tab and click Yes on the Kit button. This will enable the kit group, where you'll enter the ISBNs and SKUs that make up the kit. Here you can scan a barcode, key it in manually, or press the F4 key on the keyboard to access the inventory search window to locate your item. Enter the quantity of each component that will appear in the kit, and continue to add items until they've all been entered. Once you've finished, click the Update Set Price button to calculate the price and cost based on the parts you've entered. You can also manually set a price on the Item tab if you'd prefer. Click Save and you're done. Let's take a look at how your quantities on hand are affected when using kit functionality. When setting the quantity on hand of a kit, you can use the Set Kit Adjustment reason to automatically change the quantities of the original items added to the kit. Incrementing the quantity up on a kit will deduct quantity from the original items, and reducing the quantity down on a kit will increase the quantities of the original items, essentially adding it back to your general stock. Note that you'll need to have inventory adjustment reasons enabled from the Defaults tab of the Store menu in order for quantities to be altered dynamically. Using the Set Kit Adjustment reason is the only way for kit quantity on hand to impact component quantity on hand. So be sure to enable adjustment reasons if this is functionality you require. Otherwise, changing the quantity on hand of a kit will not affect your item's quantity on hand.